Mbale woke up to cut off roads, washed off bridges, flooding after a heavy downpour that lasted almost 6 hours throughout the night. And lives have been lost, livelihoods have been destroyed. It's a very, very somber morning here in Mbale, Eastern Uganda. You can see some of the river streams that flow down from Mount Wanale have burst their banks. As you can see in this picture, roads have been swept away, bridges are at the verge of going. Some of them have already been destroyed. Some people's houses have been washed away. It's not been a very good sight, and so just to know the effects of extreme weather have taken course in this part of the country that, well, it's prone for, well known for being prone for landslide. Then seasonally, yes, the rivers do burst their banks and flood. But this has not been a common scenario. This is something that becoming more regular in these days, perhaps because of the increased pressure on the land, as well as bad practices that destroy the environment. So constructions have gone in different places. This is the cause of all this. As you can see in the picture here, this old lady is narrating her ordeal, how her house was swept over and how she narrowly survived. They went under the water twice and then were brought back up. But we bless the name of the Lord that God saved some. Yes, some have lost their lives, but we do have survivors who will tell the story. Yeah, that's the picture there. You can see not a very, very good sight. Down in the more flat areas, that's what it looks like. It's not what we usually see. This has been seen in other countries. This is happening in Uganda, Eastern Uganda, particularly Mbale. Are you primary districts? Watching. Tune and please subscribe to this channel.
Hospitable. Some of these people who come from Congo don't have their caretakers, and even if they have, there is no food. So it's little that the refugee camp normally brings, but definitely with the caretaking, we have our relatives here who normally care for them also. When the people bring food, they give them also. Then, of course, when it comes to clothing, that's a challenge. It is a very big challenge. We used to have digging the kits, they are finished. So you find we are soliciting from the people around to give them some clothing.
Okay. So, sad enough, these patients, before even they are done with their treatment, they escape from the hospitals. Then they start running around the streets. They go sleep on the verandas. They start, some of them start stealing people's things, So they become a threat to the society.
I'm called Sarah Bio. I work with Kafomi. The challenges may be probably unique to the refugees is mainly I should say that that freedom of movement, most of them, the policy of Uganda is so flexible, so it allows them to keep moving. So in this kind of setting, most of them move like up and down, and in that instance, they tend to get a lot of challenges with the host community. However, the government is handling that. There is that peaceful coexistence with.
In this hospital, they are facing this a big problem of water. They don't have enough food to take care of the mothers and the children in this hospital.